Malic acid is one of the mildest acid used in skincare industry because it helps with smoothening of the face or overall skin. It helps with fine line and wrinkles, and it also helps with textured skin, cooling your pores, and like I said, overall skin health. So it's a very good acid. We use it in various production like scrubs, serums, and even body lotions. So today we are making malic acid serum. So we start with measuring our distilled water. I'm making it very simple so that you can just try this at home also. And if you are making it for commercial use, know that you can just, duplicate formula or just, make a large batch and sell. So we start measuring our distilled water, and that is malic acid right there that I measured, and I just put it in my distilled water. Here I'm just dissolving it with hand. Is water soluble. It's so easy to dissolve, so you don't need to heat it in order to dissolve. You don't need to heat your distilled water in order for the malic acid to dissolve. Like, it's completely dissolved in water. So our malic acid have dissolved. We are now going to test our pH. It's very important to test your pH before thickening your solution. When it comes to in terms of making serum, before you put your final gelling ingredient, it's very important for you to just test the pH, make the pH stable before you go ahead with thickening your formula. So for malic acid to work well on your skin, the pH should be around 4.4 to 5. 4.5 to 5 pH. Yes. So as you can see, the pH is low, it's about 2. Is so acidic, so I'm going to raise the pH by using baking soda. That's the baking soda right there, as you can see. So when you want to raise your pH, your product pH, you use baking soda. And what again? Okay, use baking soda. I normally use baking soda. I know it's 2. So normally you don't used to get raising pH much, but then it do happen. So when your pH is very low, you want to raise it up, you use your baking soda. So that's it right there. Let check the pH and see. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, like the videos, comment if you have anything. Also, we do train on how you can make your skincare product from scratch, like any of the skincare products. So here I have tested the pH and it's still down, so I have to add small amount of baking soda. So as always, if you're trying to raise the pH of your formulation or bring down the pH, just always try going with your pH stabilizers, like 0.2%, 0.3%, 0.5%, even up to 1%. But just don't go in fully with the 1%, just try small by small, because raising pH used to be some kind of tricky. Good. So as you can see here, we have already gotten our exact pH that we are looking for. The pH is between 4 to 5, which is stable, which is good for this malic acid serum to work. So right now we can just go ahead and thicken our serum. So as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. So this serum is suitable for sensitive skin, oily skin, and normal skin. But if you have dry skin, I will advise you stay away from this serum because it absorbs in and kind of a little bit drying. So you have dry skin, it will not be suitable for you. So this is our xanthan gum. I'll be using xanthan gum together with hyaluronic acid to gel this formula. So as always, I use vegetable glycerin to hydrate our xanthan gum. Like that's the best way to hydrate your xanthan gum in order to keep it from chunking, like gumming in one place in your formulation. So you first of all hydrate it with your vegetable glycerin, then add it into your formulation. So I'm going to mix the hyaluronic acid. I'm using the gel hyaluronic acid. If you have the powder hyaluronic acid, feel free to put it here and mix. So we're using the gel hyaluronic acid. Just feel free, the recipe will be on the screen, so just keep watching. So that's hyaluronic acid right there. I'll just hydrate everything and then gel my serum. Very, very important. So if you want to learn how to formulate skincare product from scratch, like I said, pre-mixing any type of skincare product, soap, serums, creams, lotions, any type of body skincare product. So there is link in the description box where you can chat us directly to my WhatsApp. So I have finished mixing my xanthan gum, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin. I'm just going to mix everything. This is a very, very small formulation, so keep watching. Enjoy. So you can use this serum 3 times a week. That is what I would advise. Not every day, as it is an acid and it tends to dry up the skin, though it helps with wrinkles, smoothing of the face, but still don't overdo it. So it's advisable to use this serum 3 times a week, like 3 times a week. So this is our finished formula. The clip where I put Germa Plus preservative lost. So I use preservative to preserve it. So that is our final product right there. It's so effective and very, very easy to make. So like I always say, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, ask your question if you have, and then like I have tons of videos that I'm sure you will love. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.